Welcome back, Crew Empire. Today, Mike is back, and we're going to be doing a challenge, PBA Strike Derby Challenge. Who can throw more strikes in 120 seconds? And, you know, Mike thinks it's him. I think it's me.
I think I'm a little more in shape for this, and I'm built for this.
Okay.
You know?
Well, I think I'm skinnier, and I think I'm better built for this.
Faster, right?
Let's see who can throw more strikes. So, rules for the challenge. Pretty simple. Who can throw more strikes in 120 seconds? But we got our own little twist on this. Lane 2 has two 12-pound house balls over there. And if you throw a strike on lane 2 with one of those 12-pound house balls, you get 2 strikes instead of 1. So we got 2 balls apiece on 3 and 4. And well, we're gonna see who can hold their breath a little bit better and throw more strikes. In 3, 2, 1. The time is now started. He's got 1. You know, the goal of this, I'm hoping, he's going to set the number. Lane 2 obviously is worth more. That's
tough.
only 1 strike, so thankfully that. Throw the strike with a house ball, it's worth 2. And this, oh, that's perfect. So the racks are a little bit slow on 3 and 4. We only got 2 balls apiece. So now he's at 2 strikes. Oh my God, that was close.
What do I have, 2?
80 seconds left, a third of the way there with 2 strikes. 4 strikes now, bonus strike. Back over to lane 4. It's pretty decent. Up to 5 strikes now. Just under halfway there. Oh, high for a fork. He's at 5 strikes now. Back over to lane 2, bonus. Oh no! Shaker 5, tough break. 50 seconds left, 5 strikes. And it's a good thing he works out up to 6 strikes here. That's 7 strikes. 30 seconds left, lots of time. 3 6-10s on lane 2. Lane 2 is going to be the bonus one because, you know, if you get a couple on lane 2, you're going to be doing pretty okay. I think my strategy, I like what he's got. You know, he's got 8 strikes already. I think I'm going to go hard and straight down the middle. 10 seconds. He's got 2 shots off here potentially. Hard and straight down the middle. 3, 2,
Oh God.
1. He got it off and didn't strike. 9.
Oh my God.
Good work for 9. Immediate thoughts
Yeah.
after that. I'll let you catch your breath.
Catch my breath, yeah. I think that'll hold pretty well.
You think so?
I think it will, yeah.
Okay. So we watched the PBA guys do it. I think the most was like 15 or 16.
Yeah.
And 8 or 9 is typically pretty good. I think I got the advantage because I don't have the thumb in it. But 9's pretty good.
It's pretty good.
So
Let's see.
let you catch your breath.
Yeah.
Nice
Yeah.
mark. No, well, it's my turn to run the show.
3, 2, 1. Oh, it's 1 already. Let's see. I feel like I just ran a marathon. All right, 1's still good. That was a pretty good pass, though. See, 2 is the good lane because it counts for 2 strikes. So that is an important lane. So he's at 1 so far. That's a pretty decent pass. All right, we'll give him 2 with just about 90 seconds left to go. Oh my, give it to him. 3 on the board. And 12-pounder straight down the middle. Nothing. All right, we're up to 3. I don't think he's got it. Little high flush. Oh my gosh. I can't wait to see him out of breath after this. It's a little light. Uh-oh. Still at 3, 60 seconds to go. Lane 2, important for 2. No.
What am I at, 2?
3. 50 seconds. It's a little better. All right, he's got 4. Needs 5 more in 40 seconds. All right, he's good for 5. And this could be a big one for him. Come on, give him 2. No, 5 pin. 5, 20 seconds to go. Give him 6. Oh boy, 15 seconds at 6. Can he do it? He needs this one. See it. Oh! 6, 5, 4. Uh-oh, 6. Last one, last attempt. Oh boy. Oh man. Come on. How you feeling? Want some OJ?
No. Need oxygen.
Yeah.
Those guys on TV make that look pretty easy.
Super easy. I made it look pretty easy.
You know, I didn't think that was all that bad.
Oh.
I was like, you know, I'm taking my time a little bit. Still rushing to the next one.
Sweating. I was hopping up. I was parkouring over ball returns.
Well, now that I lost, you got me by 3. I didn't get 1 strike on lane 2, and that kind of sucked. But
That was a big lane.
you know,
Hey,
nice playing.
good play.
That's why you're in.
Pleasure.
That's why he's in better shape than I am. So
know.
let's gonna wrap this one up. Hit that subscribe button, like the video. We'll see you next time.
See you guys.
Peace.